3. In this video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney. First, open your web browser and go to the Midjourney website. Sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, from the main dashboard, click the prompt box to start creating an image. Enter a detailed description of the image you want to generate, including the subject, style, lighting, colors, background, and any other details you want the AI to include. Now, click the Generate button and wait while Midjourney creates your images. After a few moments, you'll see multiple image variations based on your prompt. After that, click on any image to open it. You can create variations, upscale the image for higher quality, edit the prompt, or use the available editing tools to refine the result. Continue making adjustments until you're satisfied with the final image. Finally, click Download to save your favorite image to your device. Keep experimenting with different prompts and settings to create unique artwork in a variety of styles. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Midjourney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.